The VinFast VF5 was just spotted testing in Bengaluru. And if that expected sub-Indian rupee 9 lakh ex-showroom price holds true, this could become India's most disruptive EV SUV, literally cutting your running costs by over 5 times compared to its petrol rivals. Alright, let's dive into the story of VinFast. See, VinFast isn't just any foreign brand testing the waters here. This Vietnamese auto giant, backed by Vingroup, which is one of Vietnam's largest conglomerates, by the way, is making a massive bet on India. Back in February, they broke ground on a 4,000 Indian rupees crore manufacturing plant in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. And this isn't just for assembly, no. They're planning full-scale production, creating 3,500 jobs, with a capacity of up to 150,000 units annually. This factory, expected to be operational by mid-2025, clearly tells you they're serious about this market. The VF5, which is their smallest EV, has already proven itself in markets like Vietnam and Indonesia. It's known there for being compact, feature-rich, and incredibly cost-effective. And the recent spottings in Bengaluru, Delhi, and Chennai? Well, that means a launch could be sooner than you think, potentially by late 2024 or early 2025. This isn't just another EV, you see. This is VinFast essentially saying, we're building cars in India for India at a price that could truly electrify the mass market. So, what are the actual numbers you, the Indian buyer, truly care about? Well, the VinFast VF5 packs a 37.2 kilowatt-hour LFP battery, which, on paper, gives it an NEDC certified range of 326 kilometers. But let's be real here. In India's bumper-to-bumper traffic and with the AC blasting, you can expect a practical, real-world range of closer to 250 to 270 kilometers on a full charge. And that's more than enough for your daily urban commutes, and even those weekend trips out of the city. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, it houses a 100 kilowatt electric motor that's roughly 134 brake horsepower, delivering a punchy 135 newton meters of torque. This translates to quick city sprints and comfortable highway cruising, with a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour. In terms of practicality, the VF5 offers a respectable 260 liters of boot space. That's enough for your weekly groceries or a couple of suitcases for a short trip. Ground clearance is a very Indian road-friendly 182 millimeters, so those unexpected speed breakers won't be an issue. Now, if we look at the affordability, assuming that sub-Indian rupee 9 lakh ex-showroom price and taking an 80% loan on an estimated on-road price of, say, 9.80 Indian rupees lakh, so a loan of 7.84 Indian rupees lakh, at 8.5% interest over 60 months, your EMI could be as low as 16,100 Indian rupees. That's a game changer for first-time EV buyers. Now, let's really break down the money, because this is where the VinFast VF5 could truly shine. If VinFast prices the base variant strategically, we're looking at an ex-showroom price of 8.99 Indian rupees lakh. Add to that RTO charges, which can vary wildly, but let's estimate 55,000 Indian rupees for a city like Bengaluru. Then, comprehensive insurance at around 30,000 Indian rupees, plus a few thousand for FASTag and accessories. This brings your estimated on-road price to roughly 9.84 Indian rupees lakh. Now, for the real shocker, running costs. With electricity rates for home charging averaging 8 Indian rupees to 10 Indian rupees per unit in India, the VF5's running costs will be an astonishing 1.2 Indian rupees to 1.5 Indian rupees per kilometer. Now, compare that to a petrol SUV in the same segment, giving you, say, 12 to 14 kilometers per liter, with petrol hovering around 100 Indian rupees per liter. That petrol SUV will cost you 7 Indian rupees to 8 Indian rupees per kilometer. That's a minimum of 5 times more expensive to run. You're saving over 6 Indian rupees per kilometer every single day. Over 10,000 kilometers in a year, you're saving a staggering 60,000 Indian rupees. That difference alone can pay for a significant chunk of your EMI. So, who exactly does the VinFast VF5 go up against? On the EV side, its closest competitor in terms of segment is arguably the Tata Punch EV. But here's the kicker. There's a huge price gap. The Tata Punch EV starts at 10.99 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom, going all the way up to 15.49 Indian rupees lakh. Now, if the VF5 indeed launches at 8.99 Indian rupees lakh, that's a direct 2 Indian rupees lakh saving right off the bat.